In today's video, we'll be sharing with this delicious chicken patties recipe. Welcome to Tasty & Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 chicken breasts diced, 1½ cup of shredded cheese, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1/4 cup of oil. In a large bowl, we're going to add in the diced chicken, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Gently beat the eggs and add this to the chicken as well. Mix until everything is completely combined. Add the mayonnaise and mix. Add in the parsley and mix until evenly distributed. Now add in the shredded cheese and mix. Now we're going to add in the flour and we're going to mix until it's completely combined and you can't see any more of the flour. Cover with plastic wrap. Place this in the fridge for around 2 hours. Once out of the fridge, we're going to remove the plastic wrap. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in half of the oil. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop an amount of our chicken mixture into the pan and use the back of the scoop to flatten it out. Cook on low heat for around 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Once the patties are cooked, we're going to flip and we're going to continue to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken is completely cooked. Once the patties are cooked, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Our chicken patties are complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.